you guys. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. Today, you guys, we have some really great offers, you guys. So, we have some positions from Etsy. So Etsy, you guys, is hiring. They are hiring and they are paying $194,000, you guys. They are hiring, and like I said, no degree, and it is completely remote. You guys, let's dive deep into these jobs right now. And for the fellas out there, please still apply. There is nothing wrong with working for Etsy for $194,000, you guys. So let's get right into these positions right now. Okay, but you guys know that I am going to do my shout outs of the day. I have Mr. Johnny D, you guys. So Mr. Johnny D, he got the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. That rewrite session, that tutorial, literally in 10 minutes, you will come out with a professional resume. I'm talking about from the bios, from the experiences, everything, skill set, everything. So he used that, you guys, and he got an offer for $140,000, you guys. Mr. Johnny D, I am so happy for you, okay? Miss Clarissa J, she used the resume rewrite session as well. She got an offer for $153,000. Girl, I'm so excited for you, okay? I am so excited for you. And Miss Malaysia W, she did the DIY kit, you guys. She sat down and she redid her resume. She got an offer for 132, you guys. 132, you guys. I am so excited for all of you guys, and I know I am going to be reading more names off, you guys. Y'all go get the resume not the template kit, y'all go get the resume rewrite session, you guys. That session packs so much power. It is a no pain, no work professional resume service, and I do it virtually, you guys. It is a, let me say it again, no work, no pain resume service, you guys, and I did it for you guys, okay? And I also partnered with PayPal, so you can use Pay in 4. And I'm telling you guys, I do not want you to wait. Go pay me later, go on PayPal, and go put your resume in for this and other positions, because these positions are life changing, you guys. What we do on this channel is life changing. And I want to tell you, to all of my subscribers, I could cry, don't make me cry, but thank you guys for all of the kind words and all of the motivation, because this is what keeps this channel going. Okay, guys, this is this is what keeps this channel going. I'm gonna tell you guys, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Let's keep this going, okay, you guys. But like I said, go pick up the resume template kit. Go pick up the DIY kit, but really go get the resume rewrite session, you guys. That is where I pack so much power into that resume rewrite session, you guys. And like I said, I did Pay in 4 for you guys, because I want you to definitely write your resume literally in 10 to 15 minutes, no pain, no work. And when I tell you guys, you will have a professional resume after you go get that kit. Okay, so let's go to the, you guys, I'm tearing up, but let's go to the inspiration of the day. The inspiration of the day is, today is not tomorrow. Everything that happened yesterday, that is what happened yesterday. I am in control of today. I am in control of every day moving forward, you guys. And I will walk and I will stand in the light of my God, okay? So that is the inspiration of the day. I want y'all to put in the comment section is, I will stand in the light of my God, you guys, because I will. And I know y'all will too. All right, you guys. So let's get right into this. I'm so excited. Let's get right into. All right, you guys. So they have a position for a senior product manager, and this is for the in-app buyer comparison, you guys. So when I looked at the description of this job, you guys, this is nothing but a project management program management job. Okay, you guys, this job pays $193,000 and it is fully remote, no degree, you guys. But we are going to get right into this job, get into the skills that you need in order to get this job. And like I said, when you see jobs that have no degree, what they're looking for is skills, you guys. Go get that resume, virtual resume rewrite session so you guys can rewrite your transferable skills, you guys. That rewrite session is literally a rewrite service, okay? That is a rewrite service and it's super cheap. When I tell you, you can do pay in four for that, you guys. So $25 every 2 weeks, okay, for a professional resume. You guys go get the resume rewrite, the virtual resume rewrite kit. And when I tell you guys, it's pain free, no work, okay? No work to that resume. And you'll come out in 10 to 15 minutes with a professional resume, you guys. Go land this job, go get hired. Okay, so let's get right into the specifics right now. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so you guys can read the company description on your own, but we are going to go down to what's the role, okay? It says we are looking for a product manager to build app experiences that enable buyers to effectively evaluate items through the buyer's journey to find the right unique item for their mission. This senior product manager will be responsible for developing a roadmap of features that guides buyers to refine their options through query guidance, recommendation pathways, and cart comparison improvements. Do you find joy in solving buyer problems and learning from experiences? If so, this could be the perfect match. This is a full-time position, reporting to the director, product, and the base salary range will be, it starts off at $149,000, guys, and it goes all the way up to 193. In addition to the salary, you will be eligible for equity package and an annual performance bonus, and our competitive benefits that supports you and your family as part of your total rewards package at Etsy. But let's go back into what they're looking for. So what they're actually looking for, they're looking for a product manager that will basically, this is like almost like a customer service, because you see where they say, do you find joy in solving buyers problems and learning from experiments? So you guys are going to be helping, guiding, sounds to me, I'm going to say sounds to me, you're going to be helping to guide the user experience on their in their in app, okay, you guys. So this one, like I said, like I'm telling you guys, you're more than likely you're going to be over a team and you guys are going to be working on a a program or a project, so you can help guide their their in-app comparisons, okay, you guys. So this one, like I said, this one is pretty much an easy job. If you have ever done anything that had to do with customer service or management, this is the job for you, okay, you guys. You guys go rewrite that resume with your skill set, okay, because you guys, most of the time, you guys have transferable skills that these companies are looking for. The only thing that you need to do is rewrite the resume. That's it. Just rewrite the resume, you guys. So, like I said, that resume rewrite kit is painless, you guys. So you don't have to worry about if this sounds good or not, if that sounds good or not. Everything is already pre-written for you. It is a resume service. I have already rewritten all of your key skills that these companies are looking for, okay? I have already rewritten your experiences. I have rewritten everything that you need, okay? So let's go down to, now we're going to go down to what's this team like at Etsy. Okay, so let's go down to that right now. And you know what? You guys can read what the team is, but let's get into what a day-to-day looks like. It says through market and user research, explore, ideate, I've never seen that word, Validate and build products that ensure our users are inspired to return to shop on Etsy. Crafting a vision, defining a roadmap, and prioritizing product features via opportunity sizing, continuous iteration, and experimentation. Define OKRs and track progress against them regularly. Communicate plans and progress to cross functional partners and leadership. Work closely with outstanding designers, user researcher, data analysis, engineers, and data scientists to build an immersive and business driving experience for Etsy buyers, both within our teams and with cross functional partners. Refine the metrics of your team's products. And of course, this is a sample of the kinds of works of the role will require. You should assume that your role will encompass other tasks and that your job duties and responsibilities may change from time to time at Etsy's discretion. You guys, like I said, what you guys are going to be doing on a day-to-day basis is helping that this is basically like a customer service or management job, okay? And management job, okay? So you're going to be defining their processes. You're going to be there to ensure that when they are on the app, that the app is flowing smoothly, you guys. So you're there to basically be the back end manager for their app. And to make them want to return back to Etsy and get on the Etsy app and things like that. This is a pretty easy job. The key to this job, like I said, you guys, is the skill set, okay? This is all about the skill set, you guys. You guys can do this job. Please don't tell me you can't do this job, because you can. You can and you will, you guys. Literally, go get the virtual resume rewrite session and sit there for 15 minutes and rewrite your professional resume. At the end of that 15 minutes, you are going to have a professional resume that is already written with no work, you guys. Okay, let's go down to qualifications now. You guys, so their qualifications are pretty simple. It says experience at defining product strategies and crafting technical products from inception to launch, especially on the mobile, in a fast-paced environment with a cross-functional team, and have an interest in solving challenges in the app space. So basically, if there's anything wrong in that app, you should be able to solve it, okay? And all of us play with our phones all day long. You will be directing a team to help them solve challenges within the app. You guys, go get this job, okay? It says be a great communicator both in writing and orally, and a phenomenal listener, skilled at establishing relationships with product design, engineering, and other team members, developing empathy and trust, and influencing without authority. Experience with using quantitative data, especially from A/B tests, to make product decisions. You also know when and how to balance data with intuition. Get this job. Have proficiency in SQL, BigQuery. That is preferred. That is not required, you guys. Preferred, okay? So let's go to what next. It says if you are interested in joining the team at Etsy, please share your resume with us, and feel free to include a cover letter, the resume template kit, both of them, the resume rewrite session, the resume template kits. All of them come with cover letters, okay? Every one of them comes with a cover letter that you are able to just cut and paste, you guys. So let's go, okay? It says, as we hope you already know, Etsy is a place that values individuality and variety. We do not want you to be like everyone else. We want you to be like you. So tell us what you're all about, okay, you guys? Like I said, y'all go get that virtual resume template kit. It is paying for. Go put your resume up, okay? Go post your resume for this job. Pay me later. I don't even care. Just pay me later, okay, you guys? Go put your resume up and go get this job today. Like I said, once you use the resume template kit in 15 minutes, this is a pain-free, no work resume. everything sounds right, okay? Everything on your resume will sound right and will sound cohesive, you guys. So, literally, like I said, after 10 to 15 minutes, you're going to have a professional resume. With that professional resume, you guys, y'all go post for this job. And when I say immediately, I mean immediately. You guys have a great, wonderful, productive day. Today is not like yesterday was, okay? Take yourself some grace and get to this job as soon as you are able to, you guys. You guys, take care of yourself. Sam is telling you that it is okay to take care of yourself, you guys, but also take care of others. Be nice, be kind today, you guys. Love you guys, and see you tomorrow. Bye.